Hey guys, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Gabi.
And today I'm going to be giving Gabi a complete Amazon makeover. And I'm in control, which is gonna be so much fun. She's gonna be like my little Barbie doll. This makeover includes purchasing clothing, jewelry, accessories, makeup, hair products, everything from Amazon, and controlling each other's makeovers completely. So obviously what we're gonna do is purchase items on Amazon for each other, send them to each other, unbox them, then do the makeovers, and then reveal our makeovers to each other.
Next week, I'm gonna be styling Nikki for part 2. I am so nervous to see what Nikki picked out for me because sometimes when we do these types of videos, we can get a little shady. So without further ado, let's see how this goes.
Let's get into the video.
I predict Nikki's going to look up shabby chic, cottagecore, or Love Shack fancy. And although those are correct to describe my style, I do feel like there's a whole side of my style that Nikki doesn't know what to look up. And even I sometimes don't know what to look up because my style could be anything from lingerie to like coquette to pastel to glam. It's just all over the place. I feel like Nikki might actually have a really hard time looking for items for me.
So Gabi's style, how would I describe her style? See, here's the thing. I feel like we each have our own descriptions of our styles, but like we interpret each other's styles differently. I think Gabi calls me edgy, but I don't think I'm edgy at all. And I call Gabi girly, but I'm sure she would say she's not. But from my perspective, I think Gabi's girly. You know, she lives in a cottage. She loves a pink color palette, dresses, tea parties. I mean, her house, she has a tea room in her house. So the makeover I'm doing on Gabi today isn't going to be how you'd normally see Gabi. I'm not gonna dress her like me, but I'm gonna dress her and put her in a way that I've always wanted to see my sister. Gabi always has a full face of makeup on. She always has her hair nicely done. So I want to not glow down Gabi because we're gonna glow her up always, but I wanna give her a casual makeover. I feel like my makeover for Gabi is definitely gonna go more towards casual model off duty with a touch of Y2K. It's just a way I've never seen Gabi and I've always wanted to see Gabi. Oversized gray zip-up hoodie. I live in mine. I guarantee I'm buying it for this makeover and I know she's gonna wear it over and over and over and over. We're Tauruses, so we love comfort. As girly as Gabi is, she can chill like this all the time. I see it. She just doesn't put it online. Fuzzy, furry boots. I've been seeing these a lot lately. I'm gonna buy these for Gabi and then steal them from her because she's never gonna wear these again. Tee. Yoga pants. Now I feel like I'm gonna go with a blue vibe. Wait, that's so cute. I'm building actually a really cute outfit. For her makeup, the two important things I'm gonna throw into her makeup routine is a bronzer stick. And I contour my cheeks, my nose. We do all liquid contour, felt brow pencil to add little strokes to make her eyebrows look a little like feathery the way I do mine. Okay, we're good. We did it. Okay, ready? And it's ordered. Yay. All right, Gabi. First, before you unbox everything, what kind of makeover do you think I'm gonna give you? You're gonna make me grunge, you're gonna make me year 2K, you're gonna make me Elle Woods, you're gonna make me everything but a tea party princess. So, I wanted to give you some Y2K vibes, but that's not the direction I took it. I actually have never seen you ever tap into model off-duty. Hailey Bieber, Bella Hadid, Kendall Jenner, what they look like when they're walking around New York City and photographed. The sleek hair, the quirky winter accessories, the coats, I've never seen you in a model off-duty look, and I kind of bought you a model off-duty look. Because I want to see you
I didn't even know that style had a name. I thought it was just casual.
Girl, okay, so let's unbox. Be careful. Okay. Starting off,
I only have one pair of earmuffs. I just got done saying the other day I want more earmuffs. Oh, but they're blue.
Yeah, I wanted to give you a really like different color I've never seen you in.
Thought they were black.
No.
Oh, we got clippies.
Claw clips.
Ooh, clear. That's cute.
Oh, I got you funky rings.
Oh my god, I love funky rings. Wait, this is awesome.
I'm taking you out of your comfort zone. Makeup, hair. You're gonna look good.
I already feel like I know what vibe you're going for and I'm excited.
You're gonna love this.
Are these the boots?
Oh, these are the boots.
This is not model off duty. This is I'm going to a rave.
No. So let me tell you how these are
Oh,
being
I've seen
styled.
Dua Lipa wear these.
And same with like Olivia O'Brien and
Yeah.
like all those it girls. You're gonna have your blue earmuffs, your blue boots. Then the Niki iconic zip up gray hoodie. You're gonna wear this. Okay. With some, Gen Z calls them flared leggings, but we call them yoga pants. And then last but not least, your shirt underneath, since it's a basic outfit, okay, get this. The only cute Ed Hardy shirts they had were kids. This is why do they have little girls Ed Hardy? Let's hope you fit.
Niki, do you think my head will fit?
Oh no. So tomorrow morning, Gabby's gonna get ready, but instead of doing her daily makeup routine and normal Gabi outfit, she's gonna get ready in my Amazon makeover I gave her and then take a picture and let me know what she thinks.
I really wish I could wear my hair down. Do I have to wear it slick back? Like no makeup, hair slick back, I'll feel like an egg. Like I don't want to do that.
You have to be clean.
I'm not with it.
Clean. You're gonna impress yourself. You're gonna look good.
Thanks. I'm nervous. Oh wow. That doesn't look bad. Why have I never tried this before? These brows are so hard, I like give up. I like this makeup look.
I like it too.
I feel like this is super flattering. I'm gonna do my makeup like this more often.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots.
This is cute. Damn. Okay, Niki. Okay, so we had a few issues with the clothes. First of all, the shirt, the Ed Hardy shirt that Niki got for me, is a toddler shirt. So not just like I couldn't put it over my head, but like the sleeves were like this big. It's not gonna work. So I have this like underwire shaped sports bra that like is kind of what they would wear. I was just looking at Dua Lipa's Instagram and this reminded me of it. But I don't know how to wear the flared leggings with these boots. I feel like Cookie Monster with like the way like it just obviously I should wear it like this, but I think it's funny like I look like I'm from Paw Patrol or something. Oh my god, the caption's gonna be Cookie Monster chic.
Hey guys, so it is a few days after Gabby's makeover. She did post on Instagram. I saw it for a split second and was like, no, and I got rid of it. I didn't look at the comments. It just recognized the boots and I was like, I can't be looking at this right now. So I didn't even like zoom in or study it. I'm excited. Gabby's gonna reveal the photo to me today and go over what the feedback was and if she liked her Amazon makeover.
Okay, so I'm back into like my typical attire, but I kept this jacket on because it's a vibe. Let's FaceTime and catch Niki's reaction. Hello.
So you posted on Instagram and I saw it for a split second and was like, no, and I like refreshed the page and it went away. But oh my god, it looks so good. What did people say? People are saying they love the vibe of the outfit. You look so much like Niki. Wait a second, you're not wearing the Ed Hardy shirt.
Niki, take it up with Ed Hardy's team, boo, but I ain't gonna fit into a size 4 or 5.
Oh my god. Okay, well, we gotta make note to return that, but yeah, I was gonna say your outfit looked a little more preppy than I expected. I was expecting a little edge with that shirt. What do you like rate this makeover?
I give it a 8. If it came with that bra that I wore, it would be a 10. For sure.
She gave this makeover an 8. I feel like that's actually pretty good, like considering how different our aesthetics are. I do think Gabi should wear the claw clip more often. It looks so good with her blonde hair and dark roots. Comment down below if you think Gabi should do this hairstyle more. And be sure to subscribe, click the bell so that way you guys see Gabi giving me an Amazon makeover because we have that coming next.
And we'll see you guys in our next video.
Bye.